Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've completed. This journal is a fabric and lace covered journal. It's filled with all the, if you'd watched my video from yesterday where I showed all the book page pockets and tuck spots and things that I made, well, they're all inside this now. So like I said, it's fabric and lace. It's a soft cover. It measures 8 by 5.5. There's all this pretty laces on there. Hope you can see that. There is 88 pages front and back. These images, a lot of the images are from Artie Mays, Christy Art Designs, and Tsunami Rose. Couldn't think then. So we've got some gauze on here. On the back of this image, there is a little bead dangle here with a bow pin, is that what it's called? Yep. And a sari silk bow. There is eyelets and seam binding as a closure. You can see it's quite a chunky one. Let's see if I can do this without getting it in a knot. So that is the inside cover here. And it's got the envelope pocket there. These are from Artie Mays. They're her is it Victorian Beauties. This is some words that I cut out of an Edith Holden book. Just made some tags with them. I had seen Tracy Fox, but she'd made these to put on her hanging tags. So I just use them as is. This is just an Edith Holden page which I've made into a envelope. So that tucks in there. This is a kit from Artie Mays. I will link everyone below, so you can go over and check out their Etsy stores. Here is one of the pages that I made yesterday. It's just got a little piece of ephemera in there. And here we have a tag which I made and a little double journaling card, and just tucks in there. If I can get my arms round to put it in. There we go. Another envelope pocket here with these little kind of metal embellishments and some more tags. A doily, a tag, some music paper, a paper bag. Done some edge punching here with, I can't remember what that Martha Stewart punch is called, and I still keep getting asked, but it's that one. And they don't come with names on them. I can't remember what it's called. Is it Budding Vine, I think? Possibly. Could have got that wrong. But I know it's discontinued. And I know that, and I have mentioned it before, that some people have said they've seen it going on like eBay for nearly $200, which is shocking. So I'll be keeping hold of that baby. Another flip, which is a tuck, and we've got doilies and not eyelash trim, gauze, paper flower. These are from Christy Art Designs, some bling here. A journaling card, an envelope here with another journaling card inside, and it's all been coffee stained and coffee dyed. I'd say coffee dyed because some of it doesn't come out with stains on it, so I've just shown you that. These are the paper clips that I'd made using Katrina's idea and Laurie's idea and Paula Lemon's idea. There's like so many people doing them, so I've just put some ephemera on there. Oops. Oh, and this is a little pocket from Artie Mays. This little library pocket, and I just put that little embellishment piece on there. Done some stenciling throughout as well with my new stencil, which is this one called Blossom, and another book page. Whoops, another book page pocket, which these are all ideas from Patricia Veramontes. This is from Tsunami Rose. And it's got this little embellishment there. Something you need to watch when you when you're playing with book pages is words, because when I was playing around yesterday, a couple of things that I were doing, and I'd nearly finished and sewed them, and all of a sudden I just noticed a word on there that really wasn't appropriate, and it's like damn, and it was one of them ones that I couldn't even cover it up. So be careful what you use. An ephemera piece here. And this flips out, so this is a pocket and some journaling space. Obviously there's a paper clip on here, and I've just tucked this into, I just made some little booklets with these images, which I got from Christy Art Designs. And I mentioned it in yesterday's video, she's constantly got a sale on, like 75% off or something. Everything is like under £1 here for me, so I'm not sure what that would be in dollars, but it's cheap as chips, and there's hundreds of tags and embellishments on there. So this is from Tsunami Rose, another one of the Edith Holden pages turned into an envelope. I see Paula Lemon do that. I like the little bling on there. Just got some hearts on a string. Like I said, plenty of places to journal. It's not like, not every page is jam-packed. If it was, I don't think this would shut. It would just be like laid open like a Rolodex. Some more ephemera. This is another one of these little paper clips. They're a great idea. I'm not very good at putting them on. Back on, there we go. And this is another flip out. This one's just tucked in there like so. This is an envelope, a window envelope, and I've got a Tiffany & Co. stamp inside there. It's also opened at the side there, so you can tuck things in there. There's a little piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose and another Edith Holden word tag. And we've got a ticket, a butterfly here with some bling, and this little bit of trim. You can see I've still got a blue finger. I can't get that ink. I was filling my printer up yesterday and it got a bit messy, and I got it off the rest of my hands, but it's all kind of in that finger, and I've done washing up, and the amount of times I've washed my hands today and it just still won't come off. So another doily. This is a 4 pocket book page pocket that Patricia showed. I think she showed that quite recently. I have been watching a lot of her videos lately, so I could be wrong, but she has got a tutorial on that, or a show and tell, and she roughly shows you how to do that. So a tag, and this lady tag from Artie Mays, and a little calendar there from Tsunami Rose, and a little journaling card that just pops in there. And this backing paper here is from Artie Mays, and some trim and this little metal embellishment. Another paper clip here, and this is one of the pockets that I made, so you can tuck something inside there. It's a double journaling card which just goes back in there. And this is another paper clip. I'm not going to take it off, but that's a paper clip, obviously, because you just see me tuck that. Whoops, just knocked the camera. Because you just see me take that off and tuck that in. Some more ephemera. I can feel my voice going. Another little pocket. Oh, I didn't put something in there. So I'm going to know, because Had a few little pieces left over. I'm wondering if that will fit in there. It's another little envelope. Actually, that'll look quite nice, just maybe like that. These are little envelopes that Patricia had shown as well. So I just put the fabric flower on there. We've got some more ephemera here. Edith Holden tag and a handmade tag. Paper bag, some music paper, tag and a doily. This is the little jelly bean soup pocket with a little tag in there. And we have one of these, journaling card and a tag. It's just got some crocheted trim and a little bow there. Little corner pocket here with some ephemera, another tag. Oh, actually, I know what I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that in the little pocket because I'm not quite sure about that little envelope. So let me go back and do that. There it is. I'll take that out and put that in there. I didn't realise I'd put the two of them together in this back one. And then on the back here we've just got another little booklet. A little bit of something stuck on her. And another Edith Holden tag. Envelope, sorry, with a journaling card inside. And that is the back cover. So that is the journal. This will be listed on my Etsy if anyone is interested. And I think it turned out quite nice. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.